Hello everyone. In this video we will just combine different tables. It means that we will create a relationship. Okay, we will create a pivot table from more than one tables. Okay, we will create a relationship between these three tables. We have three tables. Okay, this is for the product and this is for the category. Okay, this is for the region, in which region, and this is for the sales and for the value. Okay, we have these three tables. It means that, for example, you have thousands of records. Instead of repeating these lines every time, so you need to write it in a separate table, just 3 or 4 lines, because you have 3, 4 or 5 or 10 products. Okay, but if you would like to write in the same table, you should repeat it thousands times. But instead of that, we would like to create a relationship, and we will create pivot table from that to generate a report from that. Okay, and also the region. If you would like to write the region in here in a column for that, so you need to write it in every line, in every row. Okay, instead of that, just write 3-4 times and use it in your table. Create a relationship between these. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, we will create relationship. So let's first of all, I will convert this to a table. Okay, press Ctrl T. So convert this to the table. Okay, this has converted to the table. Let's convert it also. Ctrl T. Okay, convert this to the table. Okay, and convert this to the table also. So after converting it to the table, now let's move to the data tab, and the data tab, come here to the data tools, press this relationships. Okay, after pressing the relationships, here we will press new. After pressing new, here we will select our table. Okay, the first let's first of all assign name. Okay, sorry, let's assign to these tables. Okay, come here to the table design. Here I will assign a name to this sales. Okay, this is the sales table. This is category table, table design, category. Category, and our product table, and this is per region. Okay, we will name it region. Now let's start. Okay, come here to the data tab and to the relationship, new, and here first of all I will select sales. Okay, let's select sales, and in the sales I will select let's decrease the size of this. For the column, okay, I will select we will first of all I will connect with this product category. Okay, product ID, select this column. Come here down, relating table is the category, and here I will select product ID. Press OK. So let's wait for it. Yeah, the first relationship has added. Now let's press new. We will add a new one. Okay, here again select the sales table and select here. Now instead of that, we will select this region ID. Okay, and down from that, here we will select the region, and here again the region ID. Press OK. So that has, now let's close it. Okay, now let's create pivot table from this. Okay, so to create the pivot table from this, just come here to the insert tab, to the pivot table from data model. See, from data model. So after that, existing we will create that in the existing worksheet. Okay, where let's click, for example, we want to create that here in this area. Okay, for example, here in this area. Okay, press OK. So as see, we have the pivot table fields right now. Okay, these are those three tables that we have. Okay, category, region, and sales. We have these three tables. Now let's add. Okay, let's drag it to the right side, and here first of all at the row. Okay, for the row I will just select the product. Just come here to the category and come here to the product and select it to the row. Yeah, we have it here. And for the column I will select let's, for example, region. Okay, region wise I will show the sales. Okay, let's come here to the region, and in the column I will display region. Okay, and now here I will display the value of every product. Just come here down, sales, and here I will take the sales. Okay, sales to the values. See, we have this. Okay, let's drag it to the right side. We have, for the computer, we have this sale. Okay, 13,900. Okay, and this is for mouse, and this is for paint, and this is per table. Region wise, okay, we displayed region wise. In every region, this is the total then. Okay, total for computer, mouse, and this is the total. Okay, as you see. So it is how that we have displayed. Okay, and the whole tables, 2 or 3 tables in a single pivot table. Okay, we have created the relationship. Now let's display the a relationship also. Okay, so to display the relationship, come here to the last power pivot. See this tab. Okay, press this tab, then come here, press the manage. After pressing the manage, we will display our design. See diagram view. Press this diagram view. Okay, it will display as the diagram. See, we have these three tables. Let's move it to the top. Look at that. We have origin, sales, and category, and we have relationship between them. So it was all about this, to create a relationship and to create a pivot table from more than one tables. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.